first. Now this one, I wanted to get into this. This is from Christopher Melcher. Now this dude's official. This dude is like legal commentator, divorce attorney for celebs and business owners. So I'm not the one saying this. This is an official person. This is a successful person. This isn't some asshole with a camera that's coming out here to talk the truth. No, this dude is someone you really want to listen to. Okay, from Christopher Melcher, Amber Heard sued in federal court for making an insurance claim for Johnny Depp's defamation judgment and for refusing to cooperate with the insurance company in defending the suit. Read it here, and you can see it right there. Next, Amber obtained insurance in 2018 from New York Marine and General Life Insurance Company with $1 million of coverage. And then you can see it right there. The insurance policy, New York Marine issued insurance policy number, whatever, to named insurer Under the Black Sky Inc. What the fuck? Is that like a name for her company? Did she pick that name? I bet you anything she did. I bet you that's her company, and that's a stupid fucking name. Ugh. Under the Black Sky Inc. I could totally see her saying that. Okay, Amber, so what do you want to call your company? We're gonna get this official. We're gonna make it official. I want it to be called Under the Black Sky, please. Are you sure? You really want it to be called that? Yes, I really want it to be called Under the Black Sky Inc. Okay. I mean, I could be wrong, but still, it just sounds stupid, and it totally sounds like something that she would hurt. See, and Amber Heard for the policy period 2018, July 2019, with per occurrence limit of liability of $1 million. Herein after the policy, a true and correct copy of the policy with premium and address information, whatever. Next. The policy covers damages caused by Amber that injure another, including defamation. No coverage is allowed for a willful act by Amber. More on that below. Here we go. Number 10. The policy defines personal injury to mean injury other than bodily injury arising out of one or more enumerated offenses included in the policy, which includes oral or written publication of material that slanders or libels a person or organization, including other forms of defamation, and oral or written publication of material including other forms of defamation that violates a person's right to privacy. You're fucked, lady. Amber, right here. Look at me, Amber. You're fucked. You're fucked. Next, the insurance company agreed to provide a defense counsel for Amber for Johnny's defamation claim without charge, reserving the right to deny payment of the $1 million policy benefits if the facts show her op-ed about Johnny was a willful act to injure him. And let's see what this says. 14. On October 1st, 19, New York Marine accepted Heard's defense of the underlying action subject to reservation of rights. Specifically, New York Marine advised Heard that New York Marine would provide a legal defense. Oh, so it wasn't Elon Musk. Oh, okay. Would provide a legal defense, but that to the extent California law does not permit an insurer to indemnify the insured, no indemnity can be provided. You're fucked, Amber Heard. You're fucked. Next. A law firm was selected to defend Amber. Although paid for by the insurance company, the law firm owes a duty of care and loyalty only to Amber and must protect her, not the insurance company. And let's see what this says. 15. At the time Heard tendered the underlying action, the law firm Cameron McAvoy, PLLC, was defending Heard in the underlying action. When New York Marine accepted Heard's defense, New York Marine agreed to continue the defense of Heard through the law firm Cameron McAvoy, PLLC. Next, but that was not good enough for Amber. She refused to work with that law firm, who refuses free counsel. Obviously, Amber Heard does, because something like that would be so stupid. You refuse free counsel. No, I want to use my own lawyer. I don't like the one they gave me. Give me my lawyer. Who refuses free counsel, and who paid for the attorneys that tried the case for Amber in Virginia. All right. Oh, hold on. I don't have that other part here, so let's just look at this. 16. New York Marine is informed and believes, and on such information and belief alleges, that Heard or her agents instructed other firms defending Heard in the underlying action to not include Cameron McAvoy in Heard's ongoing defense, and maybe they should have, because I'll tell you, Rod and Bourne didn't help you any at all. Maybe you should have got this McAvoy guy, honestly. Maybe you should have, Amber. You really fucked yourself on this one. As a result, ongoing defense. As a result, on or around November 2nd, 2020, Cameron McAvoy withdrew from the defense of Heard in the underlying action. Well, you fucked yourself, Amber. You fucked yourself again. Amber now demands that the insurance company pay $1 million to Johnny. The company says no, arguing that Amber's defamation is an uncovered, willful act, and she failed to cooperate with the counsel it was willing to pay to defend her. You fucked yourself, Amber. You fucked yourself. And then here's this. I tweeted about the possible use of insurance by Amber on May 30th. The thread discusses how others have used insurance in the same way, and they were happy for the insurer to pay for their counsel. You fucked yourself, Amber. You fucked yourself. And these last three, here we go. The insurance company lays out a strong case against Amber that it has no obligation to pay the $1 million to Johnny and that she failed to utilize the counsel it offered her. Offered here? Well, whatever. Here or her, whichever. She will have to defend against the federal lawsuit if she disagrees. The Virginia jury found actual malice. You damn right they did. And Amber made knowingly false statements about Johnny, or she made those statements with a reckless disregard, for the truth. The insurance company says either way that a willful act, so no $1 million. Loving these three. Okay. Yeah, go follow that guy, Christopher Melcher. That dude's legit. He's a legit individual. For real. Real great stuff coming out of that dude's Twitter. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay. Okay, do we have this? Is this all of them? Let me just make sure I got a few of these. I do have quite a few of them, so let's just fucking go into this because these are ridiculous. These are so ridiculous, man. I swear the Amber Heard supporters on Twitter are getting worse. They're getting worse, and I don't know. Somebody told me that the date of when these Twitter accounts were created is on their stuff, like on their phone when they go through it, but I don't have it on mine. You see, like if you look at that photo, you notice how it doesn't say like, oh, created in whatever August 2020 or May 2022. You see how there's nothing there? Okay, well, apparently other people's do. So I thought it was kind of weird. That's why I thought originally, oh, Twitter literally got with Amber Heard's PR team and they removed when profiles were created. But other people have corrected me and they've said, no, that's not true. I can see it on mine. But as you can see right here, it's not on mine. So that's why I made the statement. But look at this bullshit. Let's start with this one before we go back into that. Laura Auerbach. For the record, I called that Amber Heard was innocent way early on before this was even a question. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that JD is a narcissistic manipulator. Too bad Depp's stans don't view things with their brains or eyes, apparently. Yeah, I said it. Team Amber. Shut the fuck up, stupid. And then that's why I wanted to go back over to this. And you saw it, which was circled when we first saw this photo. PR. Do you think, Amber, do you think you could vet the people that support you, or at least vet your fucking fake profiles that you're buying? You know, don't make yourselves look bad, Amber. But then again, I don't even think she fucking cares. I don't think she cares. I think she's probably living by the old adage of any press is good press. So the fact that we're still talking about Amber Heard, I think that she's fine with that. She doesn't fucking care. I genuinely do. I think she's probably fine with everybody shitting on her the way she shit on Johnny Depp's bed. I think she's totally fine with it. Why? Because she's getting the attention she wanted. That simple. Next. You are heard. This community is amazing. We need to keep drowning out the negativity. We know how much hate we get from Depp supporters. Be kind to someone today. Compliment them. Tell them they are doing a good job. We get insulted every day on here. Well, are you sure about that? Because you always have your goddamn comments off. So do you get insulted? Because it's almost every single, like what, this one didn't. See, and that was surprising even to me. This Laura one didn't have the comments off, but this one does. And they always do. That's what I've said before. It's like 90% of Amber Heard comments, Amber Heard tweets are comments off. What the fuck? Why are you people such cowards? But let's just break this down real quick because I got something to bust this out. Watch. We need to keep drowning out the negativity. You see it right there? Boom. Well, what the fuck is that? You piece of shit. You are heard. You piece of shit. What is that? What is that? Death to Johnny Depp and Marilyn Manson. Well, what the fuck are you talking about? We need to keep drowning out the negativity. The negativity is on your side, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck are you talking about? We need to drown out their negativity. Dude, you people are the negative people. Straight up. Y'all are the negative people. So now, we still got some more. Here we go. Fun fact, Amber loves vintage muscle cars and likes to fix them up herself in the garage, pictured with a 1968 Ford Mustang. Bro, that's not even her car. She didn't even pay for that car. That's Johnny Depp's car. He paid for that. That's Johnny Depp's car. That's Johnny Depp's car. And fix them up herself. Well, obviously didn't buy them herself. And then look at this stupid shit. Oh my god. I came to Twitter from Reddit r Delusion and r Demo to add my voice for Amber to hopefully help counter the hate bots. I'm still figuring Twitter out. It's a lot anyway. Bro, you came from a Reddit page. Well, what is it called? A subreddit, right? A Reddit subreddit called Delusion. Delusion. You're fucking delusional. You're seeing shit that's not even real. And I've said this about Reddit before. The people on Reddit, they're fucking morons. And they're morons that think that they're smart, and they're surrounded by other morons that think that they're smart. So it's just a bunch of morons that all think they're smart, and they're just talking amongst each other. And they think that they're so, they're so educated and cultured, like they're so amazing as people. And then they come and really, you think you don't look bad saying that? Delusion? Really? You're delusional, you fucking moron. I believe this is another one from this fucking moron, right? Yeah, Tweetbook from Tweetbach commentary. How Johnny Depp is trying to destroy Amber Heard's career. Allegations of abuse against powerful men don't ruin their careers. They ruin the women that make them. Again, the victim thing. Again, dude, the victim thing. See, and this is now something where I can come with that book from yesterday. And that's why I like that. So now we can finally see why they're all, because remember we used to say that. I've even said that on my channel. I've said, why do they play this fucking victim game? Why does Evan Rachel Wood play a victim game? Like, she's a real famous actress. Why does Amber Heard play this victim game? She has money, I mean, she's only worth $2 million. Johnny Depp is $200 million, but still, $2 million is some money. That's some money, man. Why do they play this victim game? And yesterday, what did the book say? They always have to be perceived as the victim. That doesn't mean that they are. It's just about being perceived. Allegations of abuse against powerful men don't ruin their careers. They ruin the women who make them. No, they don't. And honestly, I'm going to push back on this one a second time. She ruined her own fucking career, dude. She ruined her own career. Most people actually a lot of people on my channel, they didn't even know who she was. I didn't even know who she was. I never knew who she was. I had no idea who the fuck Amber Heard was, because the headlines I had seen from the Johnny Depp case was simply Johnny Depp is a wife beater. And when I saw that, I was like, yeah, whatever. Okay. So to think, they ruin the women who make them. No, they don't. Amber Heard ruined herself. Amber Heard ruined herself. Shut the fuck up. Okay, and here's the last one. And here's another one. Comment turned off. We still wake up every day with a new hope for justice for her, and we still continue to support her. What justice, dude? What justice? And that's why one of the things I have a problem with, I think these are all bots. I don't think these are real people. I don't think a single positive, pro Amber Heard tweet that I read right now, I don't think a single one of them is a real person. And I think that's the truth. And if you haven't seen, this isn't really political, but I'm just going to put this tab up. If you haven't seen, Elon Musk is trying to pull out of the Twitter deal because they didn't want to tell him how many bots were on Twitter. I'm telling you, it's 90%. Twitter is 90% bots. It really, really is. Okay, so now let's go into a couple of articles. We got a little bit of time, so let's just do this. From, the piece of shit that they tried to help Amber Heard during the trial. Johnny Depp pushes back on Amber. My $10 million verdict was fair. Johnny Depp is scoffing at Amber Heard's move to set aside his jury verdict on grounds it was excessive, firing back at that the $10 million judgment, reflects the loss he actually suffered after she defamed him. No shit. Johnny's lawyers say there's clear evidence that Amber's op-ed appeared in the Washington Post back in 2018. He had no work. He didn't appear in a single studio production until October 2020. That alone, the lawyers say, supports the $10 million verdict. Yeah, it does. In fact, Depp's legal documents refer to one of Johnny's reps negotiating the deal for the 6th installment of Pirates of the Caribbean. There it is right there, 22.5. Just prior to the op-ed being published, the producer Jerry Bruckheimer was all in, saying he really wanted Johnny. As you know, after the op-ed, Johnny was persona non grata on the production. The lawyers say Johnny proved with experts during the trial that his actual loss came to far more than 10 million. It was more than 40. Yeah, you goddamn right it was. And here's the end. Short story. Johnny's lawyers say Amber is grasping at straws. TMZ broke the story. Amber filed legal documents last week claiming one of the jurors fraudulently was impaneled. Her legal team says a man was summoned, but someone with the same name from his household, the man's son, took the summons to court and became a juror, and that her team says should warrant a new trial. Johnny's team fired back. Amber could have objected at the beginning of the trial, but didn't. So it's tough luck for her. Yeah, tough titty. Fucking bitch. Okay, so now let's get into this one next. Look at this tweet right here. For Johnny Platoon 19792 on Twitter. Amber Heard had all the jurors' info long before the trial started. The trial was 6 weeks long with a 1 week break in between. She and her legal team had enough time to bring the issue up before or after the jury selection, since by the end of the trial, still 2 alternates were available. Well, let's read it. Miss Heard had access to the purported new facts months ago. In her supplemental memorandum, Miss Heard does not, because she cannot, make any proffer as to why she could not have discovered the new facts until now. This is because the clerk's office provided the pre-panel jury list to the parties back on April 6, 2022, more than 2 months ago, and 5 days before the jury was impaneled. In a rare moment of candor, Miss Heard admits that she was aware of the purported discrepancy in Juror 15's Juror 15's birth year from the very start of the trial, because Juror 15 was clearly born later than 1945, MOT at 40. Ms. Heard therefore concedes that she had more than enough time before the trial started and during the 6-week trial, when at least 2 alternates were available, to investigate and discover the alleged new facts. Clearly, Ms. Heard waived any right to allege new facts. She chose not to investigate for long, much less to demand the extraordinary remedy of mistrial. Okay, well, I don't even need to read the next one. That's it. You just heard it. You're full of shit, lady. You fucked yourself. And this keeps on happening. It keeps on happening. How many more times is it going to happen? Let's talk about that. How many more times is this going to happen? How many more stories are we going to have to hear? I don't know. 5? 10? Like, we're going to have to keep on hearing about this, aren't we? We really are. We're going to have to keep on hearing about Amber Heard going on and going on and going on about some bullshit. And honestly, I'm just going to come out and say it. I don't think she's ever going to stop. I thought she was going to stop right after the trial. I truly did. I really, really did. I thought, okay, she lost. She's going to take her L and she's going to walk away, But why? I'm sorry. But I think that was a mistake on my part. I mean, she started this whole thing, the entire thing. So why would she walk away and take her L for love? Why would she walk away? And it totally makes sense. So we're going to leave it here. It totally makes sense. Let me make sure I don't have anything else for Heard or Manson. I don't think I do. So we're going to leave it there. Good day. Good day. Good session. So much better than yesterday. Oh,